Hello traders, my name's Des here at Grok Trade and the markets take a dive. It's Wednesday, October 23rd, 2013. Well, after 4 record-setting sessions, the S&P 500 takes a dip. See here, the S&P down about 0.5%, with the Dow down 0.35%, the Nasdaq down 0.57%, the Russell's down 0.42%, all major indices in red. However, the banks went into bullish territory, but just by a fraction. But that is good to see financials showing relative strength into this weakness. VIX was at one point up more than 6%, but now it's only up 0.68%. So VIX, which is the fear indicator, was very high, has come back down, settled to more complacent levels, and you have the bank showing bullish bullish momentum to end the day. You have gold up by 0.5%, silver up by 0.55%, and you have oil off by 1.3%, and the U.S. dollar up a mere fraction. Transportation index was up nicely with today's bearish move, up 0.7%. So we have some nice bullish moves as far as the market indicators are concerned and the market internals are concerned. Here's the S&P daily, and you'll see that we do have a lower high and a lower low after an extended run to the upside. This is the first time we had a lower high and a lower low since this doji sitting at a support level. Very extended. Now we did break above a nice area of resistance. That resistance should act as some level of support. I think that we have the best chance of stepping sideways a little bit, building a foundation in which to launch from. We saw that unemployment rate ticked lower from 7.3% down to 7.2%, which was good news. That sort of economic indicators and that sort of strength, underlying strength, should help the markets as long as inflation stays intact and you see the government buying the bonds aggressively. This market should just continue to churn northbound. I don't see any significant drop taking place anytime soon. Now, let me say this, because we finally had our first lower high and lower low, even though we have this support here, we are very extended from these moving averages. We could have a sizable red candlestick here. If we go sideways, I continue to see a sideways movement. However, tomorrow, if we do not stay in this sideways motion or a little bullish, I foresee a pretty good chunky red candlestick dropping out here. And if that happens, we're looking for a sizable pullback, perhaps to the rising 20 or 50-day moving averages. Gold hanging out up here at the upper echelon of these moving averages. Silver above all major moving averages. And taking a look here at Google, which was up 2.42%. Here's made a sideways move. Boom, to the upside. Google now at 1031 and some change. $1,031.40 will buy you one share of Google. Craziness. Apple up almost 1% today. Not too bad, a sideways lateral move. However, Facebook off by 1.5%, but it's a great bull pullback with a doji, and we're at a support level, gang, looking for a buy opportunity on any sort of bounce here. Heard it right here. And Microsoft off by 2.4%. This was no good. Everything was looking great until today. Big, sizable sell-off with volume. It crashed below the 20-day moving average in an area that should have been support. That is no good. Anyway, for you Grok graduates out there, there's hundreds right now of you. Be looking in your email boxes. We're going to be getting together in Vegas for an advanced mentorship. And then everybody else, listen to the next couple of videos. We're going to be in Vegas Also, for a regular mentorship, 301s that we hope you guys can join us for, and it'll be right there with the Traders Expo, so you get the best of both worlds. Take care and safe trading to you. This may or may not be you, but traders who come to Grok Trade for help are sharp, well-educated, and have made money in the past. However, trading was a real struggle for them. They bought high and sold low. They let small losses turn into large losses. They kept losing money. This does not have to be you. They made a change before it was too late. Grok Trade students trade within the live markets with confidence. Get signed up for mentoring today before it's too late for your trading.
I'm Tim Cole.
I'm Mike Reed.
My name is Randeep Kapoor.
Shane Parker.
Hi, I'm Steve Gould.
Mary Olson.
My name is Spiro Karajanis.
Mike Muller.
My name is Caroline Elizon, and I've been day trading full-time for about 2.5 years.
What did you think of the mentorship?
I am just thrilled with it. I think it's a great program.
It kept me going, kept my brain moving.
In 20 years, I learned this much about trading. I think that this weekend gave me this much to add on it.
This is actually my second time through mentorship, so this is a refresher for me. And I'm picking up nuggets that I missed the first time around, and I feel more confident to use all this information.
It's given me a skill level that's a much, much higher level.
You learn stuff that you will not learn in any other course. I've taken a bunch of different courses. I've never seen this stuff taught before. No one else teaches it. I mean, you've given us such golden nuggets today, or this week. You know, it's well worth taking this class.
Yeah.
It has helped unbelievably. I mean, I can't even explain it. I'm literally at a loss for words right now.
So if there was someone out there who was thinking about joining the mentoring class, kind of on the fence, what would you tell them?
I would definitely say this is something that you need if you're struggling with consistency in your trading results.
You need to have good education, good understanding, otherwise you will get killed in the market.
You can understand why they're doing what they're doing, how to trade successfully, how to make the proper setups, what you're looking for, and how to go from being a newbie to a professional trader in a short period of time.
You're not going to be able, on your own, floundering or just reading books, to be able to sit down and pick the brain of very successful traders and be able to incorporate that into your own trading.
You learn something that you didn't know before, and learning is always good, no matter how old you are.
Mentoring is all about helping you really get your hands on and practice it.
I would tell anybody who's on the fence, took me 20 years to learn this much. This much. And you know what? Maybe it's really this much, but I'm trying to, tell you that I know a little bit more. And I got this much, out of this weekend. So I think you got to be crazy to want to go through years of heartache to learn stuff that experts can teach you right away.
I've just realized being here how important it is to get some formal education in trading. You get so many things from so many different directions, and to have it all brought together and put in front of you, your toolkit so you can use it, is really invaluable.